Hi guys! Today we're gonna make all your TikTok videos private. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open your profile page where all your uploaded videos are visible. Here's where we start managing the privacy settings for each video. Now scroll through your videos and select the one you want to make private. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't allow changing privacy for all videos at once, so we'll have to do it individually. Just tap on any video to open it for editing settings. Once the video opens, look at the bottom right corner again. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to open more options. This is where TikTok hides most of the video-specific settings, including privacy. After tapping the 3 dots, a menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. Swipe left on this menu until you see Privacy Settings. Tap on it to access the privacy options for this video. In the Privacy Settings menu, you'll see the option Who can watch this video. Tap on it and select Only You. This will make the video completely private. Repeat the same steps for each video you want to make private. So that's how you can make your TikTok videos private one by one for now, since bulk privacy isn't available. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.